Behind the Wheel, Exploring Car Crash Testing in Action. Title: Behind the Wheel, Exploring Car Crash Testing in Action. Introduction. Car crash testing plays a vital role in ensuring the safety of vehicles on our roads. Through this rigorous process, automakers evaluate the performance and structural integrity of their vehicles in various crash scenarios. This article delves into the fascinating world of car crash testing, shedding light on how it is conducted, its importance, and the impact it has on designing safer automobiles. It is conducted using advanced equipment and facilities that simulate real-life crash scenarios. These tests aim to assess both frontal and side impacts, as well as other collision scenarios such as rollovers. 2. Crash test dummies. Crash test dummies, or anthropomorphic test devices, ATDs, play a crucial role in car crash testing. These highly sophisticated, human-like devices are equipped with numerous sensors that measure impact forces, accelerations, and various injury-related parameters. Crash test dummies are designed to accurately mimic human body responses during a crash, providing valuable data on the potential injuries that occupants may sustain. 3. Types of crash tests. Frontal impact tests. Frontal tests evaluate a vehicle's ability to protect occupants in a head-on collision. They involve simulating crashes at different speeds to assess crucial factors such as airbag deployment, intrusion into the passenger compartment, and seatbelt effectiveness. Side impact tests. Side impact tests focus on evaluating a vehicle's structural integrity and occupant protection in side collisions. Crash barriers, resembling the front end of another vehicle, are used to simulate the impact. These tests analyze the effectiveness of side airbags, door reinforcements, and other safety features. C. Rollover tests. Rollover tests assess a vehicle's ability to withstand and protect occupants during a rollover event. Using a specialized machine, vehicles are subjected to controlled tipping or rolling movements. These tests evaluate the strength of the vehicle's roof structure, seatbelt effectiveness, and the deployment of side curtain airbags. 4. Crash test facilities. Crash test facilities are equipped with cutting-edge technology to enable accurate and repeatable crash simulations. These facilities consist of various testing areas, including high-speed tracks, impact barriers, sled systems, and safety monitoring systems. Additionally, these facilities often have video and data recording systems to capture valuable information during the tests. 5. Impact on vehicle design. Car crash testing plays a pivotal role in shaping vehicle design and engineering. Automakers utilize crash test results to identify weaknesses in their vehicle designs and make necessary improvements. By analyzing occupant data and crash dynamics, engineers can enhance safety features such as crumple zones, seatbelt systems, and airbag deployment to provide optimal protection to occupants. 6. Government regulations and crash testing. Government regulatory bodies around the world play a critical role in ensuring vehicle safety by establishing minimum safety standards. They often mandate that automakers adhere to specific crash testing protocols and requirements. This ensures that vehicles sold in a particular jurisdiction meet standardized safety levels, reducing the risk of severe injuries or fatalities in crashes. 7. Continuous improvement in safety. Car crash testing is an ever-evolving process, driven by advancements in technology and a commitment to improving vehicle safety. Manufacturers continuously invest in research and development to innovate safety systems and materials, guided by crash test results. This iterative approach leads to safer vehicle designs year after year. 8. Importance of real-world testing. While crash test facilities provide controlled environments for evaluating vehicle safety, real-world testing is also essential. Automakers conduct extensive field testing to assess the performance of their vehicles in everyday driving conditions. This includes collecting data on crash scenarios that may not be replicable in controlled crash tests, such as collisions with pedestrians or stationary objects. Real-world testing helps to identify potential safety improvements and ensure that vehicles perform well in a wide range of situations. 9. Crash testing and vehicle ratings. Car crash test results play a significant role in vehicle ratings and consumer purchasing decisions. These ratings help consumers make informed choices based on the safety performance of different vehicles. Automakers often strive to achieve higher safety ratings to attract safety-conscious consumers. 10. Overall vehicle safety. Car crash testing is just one aspect of overall vehicle safety. Automakers consider a range of safety features, including advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS, and active safety technologies, to further enhance the safety of their vehicles. These technologies, such as lane departure warning, automatic emergency braking, and blind spot monitoring, aim to prevent crashes from happening in the first place. Incorporating these features alongside effective crash protection measures ensures comprehensive safety for both occupants and other road users. 11. The future of car crash testing. As technology advances, car crash testing continues to evolve. With the emergence of electric vehicles, new crash test scenarios are being developed to evaluate the safety of high-voltage battery systems and assess the risks associated with electric propulsion. Additionally, as autonomous driving technology becomes more prevalent, crash testing will need to consider the unique safety challenges of self-driving vehicles. This includes assessing the performance of sensors, algorithms, and communication systems in various crash scenarios. 12. Global collaboration in safety standards.